What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here in ROR. Just, kind of rolling around. I'm about to go and edit a video, but need to get in the spirit for it, so I decided to play a little bit of ROR and make a video. First thing is first, terrain is North Helens 3. It has some mods on it. There's a bigger city over here and right there, so yeah. The bus I am in today is a 1989. It doesn't have a manufacturer or a builder, but it has a back of the Thomas. So we're just going to say a Thomas S1800 International. And I don't know how I got over here when I spawned myself over there. So I guess we're just going to drive back over there. Cool things about this bus, it does have custom sounds, custom gauges right down here. Really nice sounding bus. Maybe turn signals. No, maybe parking brake, hopefully. Yeah, just a small little thing. Doors look very slow, and there are 2 doors on this bus apparently. Like, 4 doors I should say. Because you see I open the door and then there's another thing of doors right there, so. There. And let's see, how do we get out of here? This is really my first time exploring the terrains. This terrain. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna give this bus a test. We're gonna see how this bus holds up before we start doing anything, and if it holds up my test, then we can proceed. So we're gonna go ahead and see how the suspension is. Well, not really the suspension, but see, will it go? No. Let's try these smaller ones over here then. Maybe I will go for that. There we go. It seems to be handling these very well, which is good. And there's the road, but let's see, is there anything else I can test this? Interior is nothing too fancy, just FYI. And I am stuck. No, I'm not. Let's see. So I guess we're gonna have to plan out a map of where we need to go. Let's get back to the city. I guess we'll have to follow this main road right here that I was on. There's a big hole right there. Whoa, why are my warning lights on? I'm gonna go ahead and just see how it handles. Just, again. Let's see what all is here. Let's go ahead and just drive around the city, see what all is here, since I haven't explored this map yet. Go ahead and stop up here. we'll stop up here. Right here. Oh, there's seats in the bus. I didn't even realize that. Oh, there's Bob. Hi, Bob. Wonder which door is actually open. Let's figure out. Let's see. Warning lights, parking brake. Huh, that's weird. So you see they appear to be on the outside. Whenever I close them, you see they appear to be on the outside, but whenever I'm on the inside of the bus, they're on the inside, you see? Huh. Let's see, we'll go in here. See what all is in here. Okay, let's see. Ah, great. Really tight turn. Let's see if I can do this here. I'm gonna be able to. Without running into it. Ah, dang it. Okay. Now let's try from the... Well, here, I'll give myself another chance. Or is this supposed to be this way? I bet if I'm in the Vision, I can do this better. Vision or HDX. We'll have to try that. Because those things have really, really good turning radius. Now let's try here. Nope. So let's see, maybe I would have to do this. I have to curve it. And then even there I would. So ultimately I would have to just back up either way. And that was just me. And there we go, now we're up. Now we're up and running. Whee. Whoa. So we're gonna back up into here. So I go between the yellow lines. Between these two. Ah, cool, there's a little place you can even go in. Oh, let me in. Alright, fine. We'll get in. told you. See, you guys think that I'm lying sometimes. Which is never the case, because I never lie. Actually, I just did. Uh-oh. Yeah. Let's go ahead and spawn the vision, see if I can turn in here, and then we'll spawn the HDX. There it goes. Oh, crap. See if I can't even get out of there. How am I gonna... Let's see if I can even... Okay, so I'm able to get there, but am I going to be able to turn? If I don't get it on the first try, then I'll pull out the HDX, because I'm usually pretty good at turning. Or at least in my opinion, and a few other people's opinion. Oh, nah, aw, crap. We'll just do an action shot here. There, just for you guys. Okay, now let's spawn the HDX so that I can try this once more FPS. Ah, crap. Wait, what the... Okay, well, we're gonna try this again. Okay. I can't have that stop sign right there, and the driver's seat is going crazy. Oh, it's outside. That could be a problem. Okay, well that one was just terrible. Do I seriously need to get the full one with all the mirrors and stuff? Because that's what it's coming down to. People say I give a heart, or people say it takes a lot for me to give up, and I'm starting to believe them. A little action shot for you guys there. Okay, let's see, which bus are we going to finish up in? This one, or about the one we started off in? That's a good idea. Whoa. What the? Okay, well that's not gonna work. Okay. Do I seriously have to go and do this? Let's see. Do I press R? What the heck? Yeah, there's one right over here. And what the heck? God dang it, my computer died. Yeah, thanks for watching, even though I was on half battery. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe right down. I'll show my pretty face. Make sure you subscribe right down here, wherever it is, because I can't see. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Diner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, over here. I don't know where they put it. I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or I will do something with my USB drive, my flash drive. And make sure you also share this video with your friends. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped, because I gotta go power up my computer again. So yeah, thanks for watching.